Hello viewers, welcome to a special video. Today we drove about 60 kilometers to get to Hilton Shillim, a luxurious stay which is nestled in the Sahyadri mountain range. There are a lot of reasons why people travel. Some people travel for fun, while some travel to discover the unknown. Today, my wife and I are traveling to rejuvenate and to celebrate our first wedding anniversary. As a couple, both of us love to travel. We experience and indulge in refreshing things which serve as a stress buster. The culture, architecture, cuisine, and more of the place can open our minds to new things. We chose Hilton Shillim because it's a perfect nature hideout in Lonavala, with luxurious modern age facilities which offers a panoramic view of the mountain range. The next morning, after soaking the first rays of the sunlight on the mountains and a hot cup of tea, we set off on a forest trek in the Western Ghats. A very important thing which traveling together has taught us is to enjoy nature. It helps us appreciate the true beauty around us. We were also accompanied by Lucy to protect us from wild boars and foxes. She sniffs out any uninvited guests and is part of all trekking groups here. Lucy, being a good girl, kept following us until we were out of the woods and into the Hilton property after a long walk through the forest. We found this staycation to be extremely relaxing, which gave us a break from our monotonous routine and to calm our senses amid views of the Western Ghats. Hope you enjoyed our video. Until next time, stay safe.